Hey guys, how's it going? Welcome back to my channel. I do want to talk about gay clothing optional venues in Puerto Vallarta that either let you take it all off, let you get it on, or both. Hey guys, what's up? It's me, James, from designinglife.biz, the gay travel blog where I write about gay clothing optional venues that let you take it off or get it on across the globe. So, in this video, we're talking about Puerto Vallarta because it's one of my homes. It's one of my home bases, and I simply just love it. And there's tons of nude options, and I think everybody needs to know about these. So let's get to it. Now, these are in no particular order, so we're going to start with Casa Cupula. And Casa Cupula is a hotel. They are a clothing optional hotel. They have a really nice pool club with a jacuzzi and a bar, restaurants, and showers. And you can take it off if you'd like, or keep it on. You don't have to take it off. That's why it's optional, because you do you. And now they have a cruisy garden. So the cruisy garden started around the, I don't know, it was in the pandemic. I remember I went to one of their parties, and it was their first party where they had the cruisy garden open, and then ever since then they had it open, and so they've continued to have it because it got so popular. So every weekend they have their cruisy garden open. They don't have it open during the week, but on weekends they do, and it's fantastic. If you're looking for a gay Puerto Vallarta travel guide to walk you through tips on how to get through the airport, how to get into the city, where all the gay bars are, where to stay, breakdowns of some of the neighborhoods, descriptions of the wild gay parties, the clothing optional stuff with images and everything you need, download my Gay Puerto Vallarta travel guide. The link is in the description below. Spartacus Bathhouse is, well, nudity is kind of a given because it's a bathhouse. So it's a gay male only bathhouse. And you take it off. You have a towel. You walk around naked if you want. They have a sauna. They have a jacuzzi up on the roof. They have a bar. What I like about this place is that it's not bar centric, because I'm not a big drinker. I don't actually drink, but I love that you can go. You can check out the saunas, you can check out the dark rooms, and they now have a lazy Susan. Besides that, they have a really cool dark room and they have the slings, but it's fun, it's clothing optional, and it's always a good time. So I think a lot of people know about Jet's clothing optional boat tours. It's fantastic. And let me just tell you that when I wrote my Gay Puerto Vallarta travel guide, I emailed Jet and I was like, hey, I know, because we follow each other on social media and whatnot. I was like, I know that you have tons of amazing pictures that you can show on Instagram or on Facebook or on whatever. So can you please, let me use them for my gay travel guide? The more naked, the better. And he was like, sure, here's like 100 of them. And I was like, whoa, these are amazing pictures. So I have these fantastic pictures that he gave me that I'm allowed to use for my guide. If you want to see how it goes with Jet's clothing optional boat tours, it's fantastic. And the pictures are in my guide, so check it out. The download link is in the description below. The vibe is sometimes just a cool, chillaxing, naked, we're just going to hang out with our out and tan on the beach because it's a beautiful day in PV. Or it could be like, we're all super ready to go, so let's go and do it on the beach, kind of thing. So it depends, but it's always a good time. Piñata Hotel in Puerto Vallarta it used to be one of my favorites, but recently they've turned it into an invite only party. So they have a naked party every weekend, and ever since they turned it into an invite only, I've stopped going because I was like, I don't know what this means. I don't know what invite only means, and of course I figured it out. So I went recently and I asked them, like, why are you guys limiting this? Like, I remember when I used to go and it used to be super packed and super busy, and I've always had a good time, but it was always okay, I can go here and stop by. I didn't have to quote unquote make a reservation kind of thing. And they're like, well, we only have like 50 lockers. So once we're out, We want everybody to feel safe with their belongings. So I was like, okay, I get it. But what that means is that there's always going to be like 50 people, right? And on a slow night, which I've been to before, there's been about 10, but it's always been a good time. I've always had a great time. And it's a gay clothing optional venue and an option for us gay men to go and have a good time. And Piñata Hotel has a jacuzzi, it has a pool, it has a bar area. They have the lockers there. And I feel like the guests really enjoy having people come in, and it makes it part of their experience. So if you're staying at the Piñata Hotel, it kind of it's a good experience, and then you get to frolic with people, and you get to have a good time, and you get to play or not play or just make friends. It's a great place and a great environment, and it's an option to put on your list. So I know that some of you probably already know this information. So I did make a downloadable Gay Puerto Vallarta travel guide. I'll leave the link in the description below, as well as the comments. But it's 300 pages of travel tips, essential travel tips, gay parties that happen all year round, lists of all the gay bars, descriptions of the parties, pictures of the parties, and everything in between. Seriously, I made it so that people can get to Puerto Vallarta and hit the ground running. I don't want you to waste any time or lose time trying to figure things out. I want you to get to PV, have the best time of your life as soon as you get there. And that's why I made it. And if you're like, no, I just want to watch this video, but I know I have a friend who might want it, send them the link to my store. They might appreciate it. And trust me, I think that you will like it. Let's continue with the video. So the last one on my list for this video is GoNaked Excursions. Now, GoNaked Excursions, they're actually a magazine. They're called GoNaked Magazine.com, I think it is. And they do these excursions around the globe. But they have one in Puerto Vallarta every single year, which is why I like them. And every year they choose a hotel, they kind of book it up, and they go with a group of guys and they explore Puerto Vallarta. They explore some of the restaurants, they explore the bathhouse. The itinerary is different every year, but they do explore the new venues that Puerto Vallarta has to offer. But you do it in a group, and the owner of GoNaked Magazine, he does a really good job at making everybody feel comfortable. And even if you're not a nudist, for example, he has regular Zoom meetings so that everybody knows each other before you even get to Puerto Vallarta. The GoNaked excursions are one of a kind, and every year they're a little different. You know what? There's a lot of new ones. A lot of new clothing optional venues that have been popping up in Puerto Vallarta. Let's talk about those in another video, yeah? All right, I'll see you then. Bye.